Most shops don't struggle because they lack leads. They struggle because there is no system connecting what happens before a job, during a job, and after the job. Inbound, post-purchase, long-term follow-up. If one of those breaks, or if you're not reaching out to your clientele, revenue leaks. That's the ROV. And that's what RPM is built to solve. RPM stands for Relationship Performance Management. It's not just software. It's a complete client engine, a communication system that manages the entire customer lifecycle for your shop services, whether it's tint, PPF, ceramic, or detailing. First, let's talk about inbound. Every lead that comes in gets an immediate structured follow-up. Text, emails, deep sales psychology, empathetic response, timing is already mapped out for you. This is not generic templates. This is not AI guessing what to say based on what they've responded with. These messages are written specifically for how your customers are actually buying today. Second is what happens after a successful installation. This is my favorite part, turning people that were your clients into brand evangelists for you. Most shops stop communicating once the job is done. RPM doesn't. Every completed service triggers a post-purchase follow-up, education, aftercare, check-ins, milestones, reviews, referrals, great pieces of content to keep them involved. The third is long-term. This is where most CRMs fall apart. RPM keeps you in front of past customers and even cold leads for years. Reactivation campaigns, milestone follow-ups, seasonal touch points. So when they're ready to buy again, you're going to be at the top of their mind. I want you to be the obvious choice, and RPM does that. And here's the part that most platforms don't tell you. They're walking in with software. We're walking in as something that's completely done for you. All the writing, all the sequences, all the automations, the design, the newsletters, over years of content to constantly come back to your customers over and over. We did it all. Hundreds of messages, all structured and all ready for you. If you tried to build this yourself, it would take you months, if not years. It would cost a fortune. RPM exists so you can walk into this ready to go. One client engine, every phase, no gaps, no leaks. If you're a shop looking to step into a fully built client engine for you and your sales team, click the button below, apply, and let's see if we're a fit for each other.